Assalamualaikum, welcome back. Today another new earning video review. TubePay Earning Apps link video description. Okay, first time apps open, click here, signing with Google option, select your any Gmail account. Okay, automatically log in your account. Daily claim bonus, claim now. Okay, 100 coins earning and 7-day claim available. Then click daily task option, unlimited daily task available. Okay, video ad watching now. Okay, 20 video ad watching now, 20 coins earning. Okay, video watch complete. Then click here, round to referral. Then click now share button. Okay, use my referral code. I use my friend referral code. Okay, instantly 500 coins free. Okay, just waiting now, checking referral. Okay, added 500 coins instantly. Then spin available, use my referral code. Okay, and back again now, then click daily spin and your video promote, YouTube video promoting now. Then subscription, subscriber, TikTok video, like, comment, share, and coins earning. This earning app 100% real and 100% trusted earning apps. Okay, then click here spin. Okay, daily spin, 15 coins earning. Then click claim now button. Okay, and unlimited games playing available. Okay, and unlimited video watching now, unlimited coins earning, and PayPal, Amazon, Google Play gift card available. Okay, then one video watching now, watch complete, and video ad watching now. Then click referral button. Then click here payout. Okay, PayPal withdraw available, only 4 cent PayPal withdraw and 5 cent. And then scroll down, Google Play gift card and Amazon gift card. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. All updates here.